Here's a abandoned restaurant right here that has some vintage lighting. These, I believe, are they black or verde? I don't know. They almost look like verde to me. Almost looks like they're in verde. I'll show you the other stuff. The other side. There's some Huntington. There's a few. There's 4 Huntingtons in the center. There's a quick connect. No water. Wow, this needs some water damage. Another one back there. Let me get closer. Just so quiet in here. There's that again, water.
Yeah,
There's more. There's a clear shot of it. There's like 5 of these Huntingtons, and then there's. Oh yeah, you can see the quick connect there a little better. There's a. I can't tell if that's in bronze or black, whatever that is.